in a circle of radius 5 centimeter. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter, AB and AC are two chords. AB and AC are two chords. AB and AC are two chords such that AB equal to AC equal to 6 centimeter. AB equal to AC equal to 6 centimeter. Find the length of the chord BC. Find the length of the chord BC. Find the length of the chord BC. In a circle of radius, listen, in a circle of radius 6 centimeter, A, B, C. In a circle of radius 6 centimeter, radius 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. AB and AC are 6 centimeter. This is 6. 6. Find the length of BC. Find the length of the chord BC. Find the length of the BC. Okay. Find the length of BC. Okay. Question clear now? In a circle of radius, hello. In a circle of radius, in a circle of radius 5 centimeter, AB and AC are in a circle of radius 5 centimeter, AB and AC are two chords such that AB equal to AC 6 centimeter, OA equal to 5 centimeter. Find the length of BC. Okay, draw figure. Question. In a circle of radius, hello. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Who's Srinivasan? Who's this one? In a circle of radius 5 centimeter. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter, AB and AC are two chords. AB and AC are two chords such that AB equal to AC 6 centimeter. AB and AC 6 centimeter. Find the length. Find length. Find the length of chord BC. Okay. 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 The question is in a circle of radius 5 centimeter. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter, AB and AC are two chords such that AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC 6 centimeter. Okay. Find the length of chord BC. Find the length of the chord BC. Find the length of the chord BC. Find the length of the chord BC. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Look. You join this one and join this one. This one I call it M. Okay. First of all, hello. It's a good question. First of all, show BM equal to MC. This angle 90 degree. Okay. BM equal to, listen, BM equal to, listen, BM, okay, BM equal to MC and angle M 90 degree. Hello, listen here. Here, look, in triangle BAO and CAO, what? In triangle, listen all, in triangle BAO and CAO, BA equal to CA, given. OB equal to OC, radius. This one, common. Therefore, triangle OBA congruent to triangle, triangle OBA congruent to triangle OCA, OBA congruent to OCA, right? OBA congruent to AS, OBA congruent to OCA, SSS congruency. Okay. Then, okay, right, draw figure now. Hello. Draw figure first. Okay. Okay. Right. Draw figure, neat figure with the compass and pencil. Okay, then write join OB OC. Finish. After that, in triangle OBA and OCA, OBA and OCA, OB equal to OC, same radius. OB equal to OC, same radius. AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, given. OA equal to OA, common. OA equal to OA, common. Okay, therefore, triangle OBA congruent to triangle OCA, OBA congruent to OCA, OBA congruent to OCA. Okay. SSS congruency. Okay, now look at here. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. CPCT. Okay, now look at here. Now in triangle AMB and AMC, AMB and AMC, AB equal to AC, given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. AM equal to AM, common. Therefore, triangle BAM congruent to triangle CAM, BAM congruent to CAM. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Okay. Hence, BM equal to CM. BM equal to CM and angle 3 equal to angle 4, CPCT. But 3 plus 4 equal to 180, linear pair. That means OA is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, now you write the stage questions, right? In triangle BAM, BAM and CAM, BAM and CAM, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC given, AB equal to AC given. Okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 proved. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 proved. AM equal to AM common. AM equal to AM common. Therefore, triangle BAM congruent to triangle CAM. BAM congruent to triangle CAM. SAS congruency. Hence, VM equal to MC, CPCT, number 1. VM equal to MC, CPCT, number 1. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, CPCT, number 2. But angle 3 plus angle 4, angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree, linear pairs. 3 plus 4 equal to 180 degree, linear pairs. From 1, 2, 3 we get OA is the perpendicular bisector of BC. OA is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay. What? Angle 1 equal to angle 2 we proved now, the first one. Ansel. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 you proved in first proof. OAB and OAC. Okay. That is CPCT. We proved now that triangle OBA, OCA, we proved congruency by SSS. Hence 1 equal to 2 CPCT, we proved already. Okay. These two up to here, okay or not? Up to here, okay or not? This is the base. Is it clear or not? Then only we can proceed second part. Okay. Now, look at here now. Our requirement is what? Our requirement is you have to find out the length of BC. Correct? We have to find the length of BC. Okay. Come on. Now, using Heron's formula, you find the area of triangle OAB. Find the area of triangle OAB. OA is 5. OB is 5. AB is 6. You find out now. Right. Area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. Okay, find out. Area of triangle OAB. Find out. Using Heron's formula. OA equal to 6. Sorry, OA equal to 5. So A equal to 5, B equal to 5, C equal to 6. Okay, do first. Do that. Then tell me how much you got. Okay. Okay. So how much you got? Area. How much area got? 12. How much you got area? 12. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. This same area, look. Area of triangle OAB equal to half into OA into BM. Correct or no? Area we can find out half base into height. But you got already area 12 equal to half into OA 5 into BM. Okay. Therefore, BM equal to 2 coming here 24 divided by 5. Find out that. I think 4.8. BM equal to 4.8. BM, okay, right now. Area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB equal to half OA into BM. So, area already we got in your pocket. 12 equal to half into 5 into BM. So, BM equal to 2 coming here, 24 divided by 5 equal to 4.8. Therefore, BC. Therefore, BC equal to 4.8 into 2. 4.8 into 2. 4.8 into 2. Okay. Clear now? Hello. Is it okay? What is the name? New student. P. Pratyana. Pratyana. Is it okay? If anyone have doubt, tell me. I'll explain this one. Okay. Hello. Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Which part? Which part to explain? Pratyana. Not 96, Ahmed, 9.6. Last part. Okay, you got, listen, this question, 3 part there is. The part 1, look at here. Part 1, you have to show triangle OBA and OCA are congruent. Congruency is studied already. Listen, part 1, you have to show triangle OBA and OCA are congruent. So that, how you prove? OB equal to OC, same radius. AB equal to AC, given. OA equal to OA, common. Therefore, triangle OBA congruent to triangle OCA. OBA congruent to OCA. Okay. Okay, listen here. Listen. Triangle, look. Triangle OBA congruent to triangle OCA. OB equal to OC, same radius. AB equal to AC, given. OA equal to OA, common. Okay. Therefore, triangle OBA congruent to OCA, SSS congruency. Okay. Hence, we got angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. This is the first stage. Second stage, you take the triangle ABM and ACM. AB equal to AC, given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. AM equal to AM, common. Therefore, triangle ABM congruent to triangle ACM. ABM congruent to triangle ACM. SAS congruency. Hence, we got BM equal to MC, CPCT. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, CPCT. But we know that angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree, linear pairs. So from 1, 2, 3, we get OA is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, clear now? Up to here, clear? Okay. OA is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Up to that. Now, then by Heron's formula, you find out the area of triangle OBA. You got that one, Pratyana. Area of triangle OBA using Heron's formula. You got 12. Okay. So now, this area we can find out by Heron's formula or half base into height also same only. So area of triangle OAB equal to half OA base. BM is the altitude. 12 equal to half into 5 into BM. 12 equal to half into 5 into BM. Therefore, BM equal to 24 by 5. BM equal to 20 by 24. 2 is going here, 24 divided by 5. So that is 4.8. And BC equal to what? 4.8 into 2, that is 9.6. Okay, clear now? Okay, so now some theorem is there. We have to learn, you already learned the theorems, okay? Okay, right, first theorem, right? Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Look at here. Okay. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Look. Here two chords here, AB and CD. Okay. If AB equal to CD, then distance OM and ON are equal. OM equal to ON. Write this one. That means if the chords are equal, look, if the chords are equal, distance also equal. The chords are equal. Listen, the chords are equal, distance also equal. Okay, draw this one. Yes, who will draw them? The chords are equal, distance also equal. Okay. Look at here, your test chapter is triangle. Clear now? Test chapter triangle only. Okay. So study the triangle chapter. Okay. Only limited three exercise only. Correct or no? Very simple. 3 exercise. Mridula. Test chapter is triangle. Okay. 3 exercise only plus our extra questions and all. Okay. You did already, and I know most probably DPS test portion will be there. 12th test portion will be this one. Okay, that's why I focus that one. Clear now, DPS guys? So because chances there is triangle, because after the recent test, triangle only done now. So maybe chance of triangle only. Okay. So okay, now look. Okay, if it is what you write, if AB equal to CD, if AB equal to CD, then OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Okay. That means listen here. If the distance, if AB equal to CD, OM equal to ON. Converse is if OM equal to ON, if OM equal to ON, if OM equal to ON, AB equal to CD. Write that one. That also right. If OM equal to ON, if OM equal to ON, then AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. That means equal chords are equal distance from the center. Equal chords are equal distance from the center. Okay, so next question. Chapter 3 class is enough. Okay, next slide. If two chords of a circle equally inclined. Next question. Okay, I'll wait. Okay. Finish. Theorem is what, Patana? Theorem is what? There is no name theorem. If two chords are equal, if two chords are equal in a circle, then the distance also equal. Distance from the center also equal. It converts is what? If the distance are equal, chord also equal. Clear now? Clear? Okay. So next, write the question. If two chords of a circle, 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 if two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter, if two chords of a circle equally inclined to the diameter through their point of intersection, through their point of intersection. Okay. If two chords of a circle, if two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter, if two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter through their point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. If the chords are equal. Okay. Gulf Indian students, anyone Gulf Indian here now? Jonathan. Hello. Okay, your exams all over or not? When? Next exam when? Next exam. Thursday. Which subject? 26. Which subject? Science. Okay, okay. So this week you don't want to write the test. Okay, Gautam, the test is only for Bhavan's, DPS, and other school except GIS. Gautam, GIS, no need to write the test. Test chapter is triangle. Clear now? Okay. So here, okay. Now listen here. If two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter through their point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. Okay, what is given here? Hello, don't write down. What is given here? AB and AC are two chords, are equally inclined to the diameter. That means angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. What do you have to prove? AB equal to C. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Okay. Clear now? Draw figure. Draw a figure, then I'll explain to you. Okay. Okay. Right. Given two chords AB and AC, two chords AB and AC, two chords AB and AC of a circle with center O radius R. Two chords AB and AC of a circle with center O radius R. With circle with center O radius R, all right. C comma R. Have to read circle with center O radius R. Okay. No, listen here. Don't make it a stupid thing. AB and AC. No. Okay. Two chords AB and AC of a circle with center or radius R such that AB and AC equally inclined to the diameter. AB and AC are equally inclined to the diameter AD. So that is angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. That is given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. To prove AB equal to AC. To prove AB equal to AC. To prove AB equal to AC. Clear now? Hello. What is given? What you have to prove, understood or not? Okay. What is given? What you have to prove? Then after that, look, there is a construction. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. ON perpendicular to AC. Right. Construction. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to AC. OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to AC. Okay. Up to here, okay? Now listen. Hello. Now proof. Listen here. In triangle AMO, don't write now. In triangle AMO and ANO. AMO and ANO. Angle M equal to angle N, 90 degree. Angle M equal to angle N, 90 degree. Okay. By construction. AM equal to AN. No. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, given. OA equal to OA, common. OA equal to OA, common. Therefore, triangle AMO congruent to triangle ANO. Which congruency? AMO. This is not SAS. How SAS? How SAS? Two angle, no. AAS. AAS. SAS means what? Side, angle, side. SAS means what? Side, angle side. This is a triangle not studied. That's why. Okay. Look, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Given M equal to N, 90 degree. Two angle and one side. AAS. Hence, OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. CPCT. Therefore, AB equal to AC. Why? OM equal to ON. Therefore, AB equal to AC. Why? Equal chords are the chords. What is the reason? What is the reason that chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal, right? Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Okay, right now, proof, right? Okay, write the proof. In triangle AMO, in triangle AMO and ANO, in triangle AMO and ANO, angle M equal to angle N 90 degree by construction. Angle M equal to angle N equal to 90 degree by construction. Okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. OA equal to OA common. Okay. Therefore, triangle AMO congruent to triangle ANO. AMO congruent to ANO. AMO equal to AMO congruent to ANO. AAS congruency. AAS congruency. Hence, OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Okay. In bracket, right? Okay. OM equal to ON, CPCT. Therefore, AB equal to CD. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Okay. In bracket, right? Chords of a circle. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Chords of a circle. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Okay. Check now. Hello, everyone, check the note. Okay. Hello, check the note. It's a good question. Okay. Linear equation two variable we did already know, Ahmed. Correct? Then why telling now? We did linear equation two variable and division also. Okay, check this one. I told you to check this one. Okay, yes, check this one now. Okay, don't ask question now. Okay. Everyone check this note. It's a good question. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, finish now. Hello. Finish. Okay, so next question, right? Two equal chords AB, two equal chords AB and CD of a circle with center O. Two equal chords AB and CD. Two equal chords. Okay, two equal chords AB and CD of a circle with center O. Two equal chords. Two equal chords AB and CD with center O when produced at a point E. When produced at a point E. When produced at a point E. Prove that BE equal to DE. Prove that BE equal to DE and AE equal to CE. AE equal to CE. AE equal to CE. Okay, question. Two equal chords. Listen, two equal chords AB, two equal chords AB and CD of a circle with center O. Two equal chords AB and CD of a circle with center O. When produced, meet at a point E. Meet at a point E. Prove that BE equal to DE. Prove that BE equal to DE and AE equal to CE. AE equal to CE. Okay, try. Okay, draw figure. Two equal chords AB and CD with center O when produced meet at a point E. Show that BE equal to DE and AE equal to CE. Okay. Okay. You want to try? Hello. You don't want to try or not? Okay. You want to try or not? Hello. Do you want to try? Edit the figure. Okay. Anyone want to try? Come on, respond. Hello. Okay, then try now. Okay. I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay, I'll try. Okay, wait. Okay. 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 Look at here. You try Sham, Shan, Advait, Akshaya. Once we did this question, okay. Once we did this question, same question. Okay. Okay, I'll wait. Advait, I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. You try. You finish it. Okay. Okay, look at here. If not getting, listen here. We did this question here, Adav. We did this question, same question in your notebook. Okay. Draw OM perpendicular. ON perpendicular. Join OE. Okay. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. ON perpendicular to CD. Join OE. Okay. After that, look. Don't write down. Hello, listen on. OM perpendicular to AB, which implies AM equal to MB, and ON perpendicular to CD, which implies CN equal to ND. Okay, this is called it number one. Reason what? The perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Okay, Adav, it's not a good practice. You already learned this question already in your book. You have to check it. Okay, anyway, right here. First write OM perpendicular to AB. OM perpendicular to AB by construction. Therefore, AM equal to MB. AM equal to MB. Reason what? Perpendicular from the center. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Last class, first theorem. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Then ON perpendicular to CD. ON perpendicular to CD. Therefore, CN equal to ND. CN equal to ND. Same reason. These both are in one. But AB equal to CD given. AB equal to CD given. Therefore, AM equal to MB equal to CN equal to DN. Correct? Everything equal. This equal to this one, equal to this, or equal. Right. AB equal to CD. Therefore, AM equal to MB equal to CN equal to ND. Up to here, clear or not? Is it okay? Now listen here. Okay, you wrote up to here. That right? Now listen. In triangle OME, everyone listen. In triangle OME and ONE, OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Why? What is the reason? OM equal to ON. What is the reason? OM equal to ON. What is the reason? Come on. Anyone answer? OM equal to ON. Yes, the chords are equal because AB equal to CD. Because AB equal to CD, equal chords. The chords are equal. Distance also equal. Okay. Angle M equal to angle N, 90 degree by construction. OE equal to OE common. OE equal to OE common. Therefore, triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE. Okay. So what you got? Triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE RHS congruency. RHS congruency. OM equal to ON. Akshaya. OM equal to ON. Equal chords are equal distance from the center. OE equal to OE common. Therefore, triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE RHS congruency. Hence, okay, ME equal to ME equal to NE CPCT. Okay, ME equal to NE CPCT. Okay, clear now? ME equal to ME equal to NE CPCT. Okay, now look at here. We have already MB equal to ND. This is number 2. This is number 3. We proved already. So 1 minus 3. ME minus MB equal to NE minus MD. What is that? BE equal to DE. BE equal to DE. Okay. Now, after that, okay, we got BE equal to DE, right? Okay, right. After that, BE equal to DE, then we got ME equal to NE, then after that AM equal to D, AM equal to CN, AM equal to CN, AM equal to CN, add AM plus ME equal to CN plus NE. What is that? AE equal to CE. Okay. So check everyone. Hello. AB plus, no. AB, what? AB plus BE. Yeah, that's also no problem. That also no problem. AB plus BE, because we proved BE equal to DE. Then AB plus BE equal to CD plus DE. That also correct. Okay. Okay. That also correct. Okay. Check. Everyone check. This is a star question. Okay. Actually, we did this question. Okay, everyone check this note. Okay. It's finished now. Last part. Angelina, look at here. Angelina, last part. Okay, you got already, look at here. Look, last part I'll explain now. Listen. We got, we proved ME equal to NE. ME equal to NE, we proved. Okay. Then, we know that MB equal to ND. This one equal to this one. We already got that one. So then ME minus MB equal to NE minus ND. What is that? ME minus MB, that is BE. NE minus ND, that is DE. This is the first part. Okay. Then easy way, you can add already AB equal to CD. Add both. AB plus BE. AB plus BE means AE, second part. And CE, finish. Okay. This is the way Akshaya did. Okay. Yeah, you did like this, no? AB and CD added, right? Now you asked me about this one, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, next question. Okay. Next one, right? So your final exam schedule you got or not? Hello. Final exam schedule you got? Hello. Okay, next question, right? If two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle, next one. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, intersect within the circle. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle. If two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segment of one chord, the segment of one chord, the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord. The segment of one chord, the segment of one chord, the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord. Corresponding segment of the other chord. Question, look at here. If two equal chords, listen. If two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segment of one chord, prove that the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord. The corresponding segment of the other chord equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord. Okay. Look at here. If two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, AB and CD intersect at E. Okay. What we are shown? We are shown that AE equal to DE and CE equal to BE. Hello. Question, listen here. Hello. Listen the question. If two equal chords, hello, listen on. If two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, if two equal chords of a, if two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that segment of one chord is equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord. That means, look at here. AB and CD are two equal chords, intersect at E. What did prove? AE equal to DE, CE equal to BE. That's the question. Hello, Ashrak. Why you late, man? Ashrak. The class at 6:30. You join 7:30. What is this one? Hello. You joined before. Okay. Then okay. Okay. Why 5 minutes ago your net is off? Okay. Okay, draw this one. Hello, draw this one. We are sure that what? AE equal to DE, CE equal to BE. Okay, we try now. Okay, finish. What? I have one doubt in linear equation in two variables. Why we should do 3 instead of 2? Okay, I explained this one, this part, man. Hey, listen, Ahmed. Hey, Ahmed, hello, listen on. I clear it now. Ahmed. Hey, hello. Ahmed have one doubt while making the linear equations. Why we are making 3 points? I already clarified this point. Look at here. Ahmed, listen. Suppose you got point number 1 here, coordinate here. You'll get a straight line. There is no issue. Okay. A here, B here, we'll get it. There is no problem. But, okay, we cannot trace your mistake, if any mistakes. Okay, suppose if there's a third point is suppose it's coming here, somewhere here. So that means no chance to come like this, no. It will be straight, right? The third point, point number 1, point number 2, point number 3 is not coming straight, something wrong. You have a chance to recheck it. Clear or not? Right? Are you okay? Are you okay, Ahmed? Clear? Because 2 point not enough. Because we cannot trace even your first point or second point, you will get a straight line. But you're not bothered about that, the mistake. Correct? Suppose 1 point here, 1 point here, second point here. You got a straight line. Actually, your line is here only, like this only. So that's the reason 3 points, minimum 3 points. Okay. So I said this one. I said this one. Why you are using 3 points? Because DPS, one of the teachers said only 2 points. Okay. Anyway, come to the point. Hello, this one now. Look. Okay, what you are shown here, given is what? AB equal to CD. And AB and CD intersect at E. To prove AE equal to DE and CE equal to BE. CE equal to BE. Okay. Anybody got this one? Hello. Anyone got this one? Okay. Hello. Look at here. There is a construction. Look. Here, draw OM as a hint. OM perpendicular and ON perpendicular join OE. Okay. Look. Okay. Listen here. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. Join OE. Okay, then look at here. Don't write now. In triangle OME and ONE. OM equal to ON. Equal chords are equal distance from the center. Angle M equal to angle N 90 degree. This one common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by RHS. OME congruent to ONE. Hence, ME equal to NE, CPCD. Okay. Then AM equal to ND because of perpendicular. Then we add AM equal to ND. So we added, we got AE equal to DE. Okay, I'll give a note. Okay, write down. Okay, I'll give a note. Construction Draw OM perpendicular to AB. Construction. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. ON perpendicular to CD. Join OM. Join OE. Join OE. Okay. Then proof. Right. AB equal to CD given. AB equal to CD given. Then OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD by construction. Therefore, AM equal to MB and DN equal to CN. Perpendicular from the center, bisect the chord. Perpendicular from the center, bisect the chord. Here AB equal to CD, you call it number 1. Then you wrote AM equal to MB and DN equal to CN, that is call it number 2. Call it number 2. Reason what? Perpendicular from the center, bisect the chord. Okay. This is clear or not? Hello, clear or not? What we did first? AB equal to CD. Listen. AB equal to CD given. Then OM perpendicular to AB, ON perpendicular to CD. Therefore, AM equal to MB and DN equal to CN. Okay. Perpendicular from the center, bisect the chord. Okay. From 1 and 2, right? From 1 and 2 we get AM equal to DN. From 1 and 2 we get AM equal to DN. AM equal to DN, number 3. Okay. After that, look, in triangle OME, right? In triangle OME and ONE, OME and ONE. OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Angle M equal to angle N, 90 degree. Angle M equal to angle N equal to 90 degree. Then OE equal to OE common. OE equal to OE common. Therefore, triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE. OME congruent to triangle ONE. RHS congruency. Okay, hence ME equal to NE. ME equal to NE. CPCT, call it number 4. Call it number 4. Okay. Adding 3 and 4, we get. Adding 3 and 4, we get. Adding 3 and 4, we get. AM plus ME equal to DN plus NE. AM plus ME equal to DN plus NE. That means AE equal to DE. AE equal to DE. Number what? Number what? What is the number? 5. Call it number 5. Okay. Now, 1 minus 5. Next, 1 minus 5. What? AB minus AE. AB minus AE equal to CD minus DE. What is that? AB minus AE. What is that? Check the figure. AB minus AE. BE. BE equal to CE. BE equal to CE. So proved both. Okay, everyone, cross check this one. Hello, check this one. It's a good question. Advait, check now. ME. Okay, I'll explain that. Hello, Mridula. We proved triangle OME congruent to ONE. OME congruent to triangle ONE. How? OM equal to ON. M equal to N, 90 degree. OE equal to OE, common. Therefore, by RHS, we proved ME equal to NE. Look at the figure. ME equal to NE. Okay. We already proved AM and DN equal. We already proved AM and DN equal. So we added AM plus ME equal to DN plus NE. What is that? AE equal to DE. Finish. It's clear now? Okay. After that, we have already AB equal to CD. But we proved AE equal to DE. We subtracting, we get EB equal to CE. Okay. Now we check. Hello, everyone check. This is a good question. Next question on the same type only. Okay. Okay, check everyone this question. Okay. Okay, are you okay? Clear now? Okay, check today's question all. How many questions we did? How many questions finished today? Check that all. In case not getting, I'll explain again. Okay. No new question. Hello, I'll wait. Make sure each questions. Okay, if any doubt, tell me, come on. Are you sure all? Today, how many questions we finished? How many questions? No, how many questions we finished today? 4. These 4 questions, check now. There's no new questions. I'll wait there for that. Okay. Only 4 questions only today we did. That 4 question, make sure now. Okay. It's not finished. Don't go now. Okay. You have to make sure that. Okay. So no doubt. Okay. This is enough today. Continue next. We'll continue next year. Next class. Regarding the angles. Okay. That means Thursday. Thursday and Sunday we'll finish this chapter. Okay. Then I'll start the revision for according to your DPS exam schedule. Okay. Which chapters? I hope triangle and surface area. You have any idea about the chapters? Akshaya, any idea about the chapters? No, anyone have idea? Okay, maybe I hope a triangle is there. Sure, triangle will be there. Yeah, triangle sure will be there. Okay, so that's why I'm started triangle. This Gautam. Gautam. This chapter is triangle. Exception is GIS only. Okay. Okay, this is enough today.